And I say to the judge, now read the law. He says, law I just did. I said, oh, jeez. This is the problem. You people are reading a stupid code. It's a codification by the legal society. Can you now read the public law? He says, what? The law that it was premised upon. What is it built upon? It's built on a public law. Read the law. He says, where is it? I just gave you a clue, Judge. It's premised, it's built upon law. Look at the bottom of the page. What? The bottom. Premised upon, built upon. Read the bottom. That's where you'll find the law. That's where your code is built on. On. You get it, Judge? On.
All right, so this is something that comes up a lot. What is the difference between a code and a law? Now, this example is courtesy of Vital. This is from the United States Code, Title 1, Chapter 1. Now, we're going to limit ourselves to Section 8. When you go to a section of the code, and you go all the way to the bottom, it'll say added public law 107-207 section 2 sub something A, and it'll tell you the year the law was written, in this case August 5th 2002. Now if you want to look up the law, you can just stick that into Google, or well, usually it works in Google, and it'll link you right to the law. And if you look at it, it'll tell you when it was written. Sometimes there's a preamble saying why they're writing this law. Now here's the point. The text of the public law and the code have to be the same thing. Otherwise, well, that would be good. Well, not otherwise. Okay, well, in this case, it's inserting a definition of infant. So if you look at it, it says A in determining, B as used, C nothing in this section. We go to back here. It says A in determining, B as used, C nothing in this section. The U.S. Code and the public law it's based on have to say the same thing. They're not allowed to change it. It's useful. In particular, in this case, you can look up why they wrote that law and blah, blah, blah. But why does the public law and the code have to say the same thing? Well, this is from the United States Code website, and it explains it pretty easily. The United States Code is a consolidation and codification by subject matter of the general and permanent laws. It's a consolidation. It's not allowed to restate the law or reinterpret the law. At a very basic level, all the U.S. Code is it takes all the random laws that are passed every year and it organizes them by subject and topics. That's all it is. So you can either refer to the code if you want to, or you can refer to the law. But they both say the same thing. The U.S. Code is just for convenience and simplicity. It's just an easier way of organizing all the laws. Otherwise, you'd have hundreds and hundreds of laws, thousands disorganized, not by subject, and it would be a pain in the ass to read them.